Well, I thought I had some success with the first one, and I did. I got the first one off. It came off, but this second one, I torqued off the top of it finally. So now I got to torch it off or cut it off with the death wheel and try and deal with it. Could be pretty interesting. Good morning and welcome back to the shop. I've got an ugly task to do this morning, which is to cut off an eccentric from the backing plate. This is an eccentric. It's used for adjusting the brakes. I was able to remove this one safely using heat and torque and leverage, and I tried it with the other one last night and managed to shear it off. So we're gonna have to cut it off with a death wheel or a torch or something. I'm gonna start with the death wheel. I've got it sort of set up on the bench. I'm gonna put you all on time lapse and see if we can get this thing safely off. So here's the setup on the bench. I think it's snagged down tight enough, snugged down. This is the only surface that I can reasonably reliably come in from a flat. Well, other than setting off the fire alarms and a little bit of gouging, nothing completely brutal. I think I can just sort of grind that up a little bit and pretend that we're going to level it off and move on with the next one. Righto, well, we're at the sandblast cabinet. Now I realize that it's going to be noisy as hell here, but the only way I can get tight in to photograph it is to be on video, not time. Well, it's not completely done, but I'm just tired of the sandblast cabinet, and the hose is too stiff. I need to shorten it a little bit maybe. So I'm going to pull this out and take it into the shop and let it flash rust, and then come back tomorrow and clean it all. Yeah, it's definitely much cleaner. The gloves fell off inside my sandblast cabinet. So I had to take the glass off, and I still have all sorts of little bits on the edge here, but I think I can get away with it not rusting much tonight. And go back out there and make the mods on the sandblast cabinet, and then come back and